Introducing Cygnet Tax, your MoF-approved Peppol-certified platform to simplify UAE e-invoicing compliance. Onboard your multiple business entities in just a few clicks. With dual onboarding support for UAE's FTA and global Peppol directories. Seamlessly connect your ERP to import sales and purchase invoices using APIs, file-based, or direct database connectors. Generate e-invoices and report them automatically to the UAE's FTA, and parallelly transmit them to Peppol within seconds, securely and accurately. 200+ data validations as per FTA Data Dictionary. Track message level status, identify gaps, and gain insights across 10+ smart dashboards. Manage inward e-invoices, reconcile buyer-seller mismatches, and drill down vendor-wise as Corner 3. Ensure VAT validations for each invoice, meet UAE data residency norms, archive your data for 7 years, hosted either on cloud or on-premise. All features, from integration to insight, accessible in a few intuitive clicks. With 25 years of expertise, 12+ global certifications, and over 5 billion e-invoices processed worldwide, Cygnet delivers 100% tax assurance. Ready to simplify your UAE e-invoicing journey? Book your demo today with Cygnet Tax.